We got we got a microphone recording. Uh, it's hot in here, but let's get started. My name's Nathan Diaz. I am an avid photographer, videographer, um, and I recently just got a Peak Design camera from my lovely fiance. And you know, I'm like on the cusp of videography and photography. I use a lot of Blackmagic products. Not products. I use Blackmagic cameras, and I also use Sony and Canon at the moment. And I kind of just wanted to like showcase um, what I have going on right here. So bear with me. The Holy Grail. First of all, you're like wondering, where is all that stuff right here? I have to manually change this. What's this giant gap doing? And you're like, I don't know. Well, currently there's another camera right here. This is the Sony A7C, and as you can see, there's a little grip and a what's it called? A ball for a tripod head attached. So that is currently what this spacing is. You'd think maybe it's a waste by how I have it. I really have it utilized for this. Pause. It's Nathan. I just wanted to make a quick little commentary on this. I do realize I did say it is a Peak Design camera. Clearly, it's a Peak Design backpack. My mind was just going ahead of itself. My mouth can't keep up sometimes with what I think, and I got distracted by the 1-400. Also, the other comment was to utilize this backpack as best as possible for its storage. And continue. God, 1-400. I really love the 1-400. You may not get it in typical everyday use, but you know, people say if you're lazy, you'll get this. But honestly, I've used this thing so many times. Maybe not for weddings, but you know, for wildlife photography. The range is pretty good, and I'm a range guy. I love me a good bit of distance, and I don't have a 2x extender yet. So until then, this is just a backup. It does work for like wedding videography at a distance for ceremonies. We also have a 70-200. This is a heavy beast in itself too. God, I don't even know like what angle's good for this. I think that, yeah, 70-200, f2.8. So it is, I would say, fairly good when it comes to low light performance. 70-200 is a decent range. You don't have to be so close to your subject, but you definitely have some space, and you can definitely work with it. We also have a 100 macro. I think this is an f2.8. I don't even know right now. It doesn't even say. It doesn't say. But that's a good little. I like the lighting on that one. Yeah, man, these things are great for weddings, for rings, for small things, as you'd probably know. This is for me. I'm more, like I said, I'm more of a videographer. I like distance. You don't really use 100 macro prime that often, but if you need it, it's good to have it. We also have a Peak Design strap. We love this thing. I went with the thickums. You don't necessarily have to. Yeah, it's pretty long. This is like the super extended form. Ooh, you can't really see it. Oh, and the good part about this Peak Design backpack, bro, are these shelves. This built-in shelf right here that most backpacks don't have yet. It's not a very common utilized storage saver thing. Here we have a light meter because I also do film photography. And then we do have a just a charger for the Blackmagic and Canon. We have a Canon Mark V right here, which we'll get into as well. Like, it's for me there. We have a flash. You never know when you're gonna need a flash. Works for the Canon, works for the Sony. We have the battery grip. You know, goes with the Canon EOS 5D. It's pretty bulky. And you definitely need a strap for this bad boy, especially with one of these two lenses. It will get really heavy, and that's to say the least. Videography. It can fit a Blackmagic, but the other thing is Blackmagic eats the batteries, so then that's the other task is dealing with batteries. But it can fit that, and like I said, film camera. Not here. I mean, it could. I definitely know one thing for sure is if I had a lens cap for this old one, if I knew what it was, that would save space. That could actually fit right here, and then I would get rid of this. The other alternative, to having this, instead of having this light, there's this light, and it fits there too. I mean, you could fit both. Can't really take that. You already have that one, that. I mean, you have a good everyday, like, if you just love to take photos, or if you're working on a project, or, I mean, I love how much space this has. This is fully extended too, by the way. It doesn't leave much room for packing. So my solution for that is to use lifesaver bags, or not the lifesaver bags, but the vacuum seal bags. As you can tell, that's pretty full. Yeah, not a lot of space, like I said, for doing that. But that's just really me, though. I'm pretty excited to use it. This is going to be my everyday bag for now until who knows how long. But yeah, I just thought I would share and show. I mean, if you're looking to get into this, I mean, it's a hefty price, but I think it's worthy in the outcome, because ultimately you want to protect your gear. You want enough space for everything, and you know, you can do it on the go. This is about 25 pounds, so it is a heavy pack. Just an FYI, just so you know. But that's how much everything's estimated, and thanks for tuning in. Peace.